Okay, well, 15 people liked it, and we have to do it. I will be recording, and here's Kayla.
Hey, okay, so if you guys didn't know already, I've had a pretty terrible night, and you know, me and Megan have been seeing a bunch of crap about the cinnamon challenge, and we decided to make me feel better and just to get a great laugh, I'm gonna do it. So I got 15 likes on my Facebook status. Here we go.
So this is a one-lifetime thing.
Yeah, probably never gonna happen again. Oops. I'll clean it. Okay. Here's my teaspoon. This is right.
Do you want a cup for water?
I'll go grab one. Yeah. Zach, go get one.
Well, we'll just wait for until Zach gets. Yeah, you better
brace myself for this because this is gonna be freaking hilarious.
Okay.
And I'm gonna look back on this and I'm gonna say this is the best night ever.
Okay, just remember, in the sink, not on the floor. I ain't cleaning it out.
In the sink, not on the floor. All over the counter. Okay.
Oh god, I can smell it.
I know. It's like everywhere.
And if you need to, the shower's right there, so.
Yeah, and I'm not gonna puke. Okay. I'm gonna do it without Zachary.
No, wait. You better wait for the cup. I don't want it all over the floor.
I'm shaking. Wow. I'm gonna do it. You ready?
No. Come on! Swallow it. You gotta swallow it. You have to swallow it. It's like a fire pit. Oh my god.
Shit!
Oh god.
Never try this ever. You are getting Band-Aid.
Oh my god!